The Portfolio Diet is a plant-based dietary plan that aims to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Research has shown that this diet offers a heart-healthy eating plan that guarantees people get the nutrients they need while controlling their cholesterol. It is suitable for long-term use and may be modified to fit into a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle. The Portfolio Diet is rich in soluble fiber, which has the potential to reduce bad cholesterol. Foods like oats, barley, beans, lentils, and fruits are great sources of soluble fiber and play a crucial role in this diet. Plant sterols are compounds found in plant-based foods that can help block the absorption of dietary cholesterol in the intestines. You can find plant sterols in fortified foods like margarines, almond milk. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts are rich in heart-healthy, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Regular consumption of nuts has been shown to lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Soya products like tofu and soya milk are a valuable source of plant-based protein and contain compounds that can help lower cholesterol levels. For more such videos, like and subscribe our channel.